I'm going to talk about some of the new tools that are now enabled. So the first one that I'm going to be talking about is one frequent product request that we receive from many of our users today, which is adding more opportunity for personalization. So personalization, first and foremost, is related to the kind of things that people are looking for and being able to generate dynamic responses as part of that. So last week, we actually launched a new feature that enables dynamic responses. And by dynamic responses, I mean dynamic carousels, dynamic buttons, dynamic cards, allowing people to have way more flexibility in the kind of experiences that they want to build and enabling them to have much more personalized experiences as well. And we have a demo video showing this in action.
Hi, Niko from Voiceflow here. And in this quick video, I will share with you an idea I've got. Thanks to Ty from the team, we know how this powerful way of using the custom action to generate like a bunch of stuff, and it's pretty amazing. So what if we also ask GPT to help us to do the work for us? And this is what I'm doing here. So I'm actually making a request to an e-commerce API to get, well, a bunch of stuff. Now you can see this is a pretty large response, but what I'm focusing on is the product object. So if I can find it somewhere, and you can see where you can struggle and on like dealing with those kind of things. There we go. Okay, so this is the product object here, but I definitely don't want to deal with that. So what I'm going to do is extract this object. This is what I'm doing here, web content products, map that to a variable, and I just need to stringify that, use an AI set step with a very simple prompt, which is based on the following JSON structure example that represent a carousel with 2 cards, generate a new JSON to render a carousel with a maximum of 3 products from the following API response. If not specified, default button label is buy. And we have the template, the base, GPT 3.5 in that case, will work with. So this is the only stuff I had to do. It's basically just give GPT some stuff to play with. And API response, this is what we extract from our API step response or request. Never add any explanation to your answer. Always return only a JSON as your answer. So again, a very basic prompt. That might be some tricking, but it do the job for me here. So I'm mapping this to the carousel payload, and in the custom action, I'm just using that variable for the payload, the JSON payload. Okay, here we go. Let's run this. So again, we are fetching and requesting the API, the endpoint of that e-commerce website. We are getting a response, formatting this using GPT 3.5 to generate the carousel for us. And here we go. Sorry, this is a French website, by the way. So, but it works. We have the price, we have the title, we even have like a buy button. And if I click here, sure enough, we have access to this fluff product. And I can do this for the chair that we've got here. A bit more expensive, but you've got the ID, and obviously this is not limited to carousel. But yeah, wanted to share that with you. Have fun. Chat soon. Bye.
Yeah, so this is going to unlock way more opportunity for users, whether you're building an e-commerce agent, whether you're doing a support agent, enabling a more personalized experience based on what is getting returned from third-party integrations. And this is going to be further improved on over the coming months as we do more and more to enable these kind of use cases.